So anytime you want to withdraw from the Faucet Crypto, what you have to do is to head over here. The first thing is to head over here, okay? You head over there, all right? You click on it, then it will take you to where you scroll down to where you have withdrawal, okay? Scroll down to where you have withdrawal here. You click on it, then it will take you down. You just scroll down to where you have withdrawal tips. Where you have these withdrawal tips, when you get there, you scroll down more a little bit. You see withdrawal section. If you've withdrawn in the past, it will pop up here. It will pop up here. Okay. If you've withdrawn in the past, it will pop up here. You can see I've withdrawn up to 17 times here. And this is the last coin that I withdraw. So I want to withdraw another one again and show you the step-by-step guide how I did it. All right, so you just scroll down a little bit more. These are the various options that you can use and withdraw from. These are the various options. We have the Avalanche, we have the Binance coin, we have the Bitcoin, we have the Bitcoin Cash, and we have the Dash also. So I want to choose one and withdraw. Now I want you to understand something. Whenever you see this turned this purple, which means you can withdraw from it. It is due for withdrawal, which means the maintenance has been done. If you look the previous video that I posted, if you haven't checked out the previous video that I posted about how to farm this project successfully and come out with the best result and make money from it, you have to go back and watch it, and the link is right at the description of this video. Now this video I'm doing now is just going straight on how to withdraw, so just pay attention to that. So whenever you see this withdrawal turns purple, which means it is due for withdrawal, you can, like, what I mean is that the maintenance, normally all maintenance are normally performed in all of these pairs, okay? All of these normally carry out maintenance, like the platform normally carry out maintenance on your withdrawals. So whenever maintenance is being carried out, you can see that this button here will be showing black. So whenever you see black, know that this button here, you can't withdraw with this. So you have to go and select another one that will show purple. All right. And also, when you look at the left here, if you see this little dot over here showing this green, which means that particular coin, you can use that option for withdrawal. All right. And also you can see now even the digibyte itself is showing this color, is showing purple, which means you can use it to withdraw. And also if you look at the left here, it is also showing this green, which means you can use it, or you can decide to use either the Dogecoin to withdraw. All right, you can decide to use either the Dogecoin to withdraw. Now if you look at the Dogecoin also, you can see that it is showing green, and also when you look at the left, you can see that it is also showing this color. All right, and when you look at this button, it's also showing purple. All right, which means you can also use this Dogecoin to withdraw. But for the sake of this video, I just want to select one alone and show you how to withdraw from this platform, okay, and make your money. So we just head over to I want to withdraw with Bitcoin Cash. So I want to withdraw with Bitcoin Cash to show you how this withdrawal works step by step. Okay, now I want to withdraw. I'll just click on this. First of all, I told you that you just check and see if it is showing purple. Now this one here, this Bitcoin Cash here is showing purple. The section is showing purple, so that's the number one sign that I can withdraw through it. And also when you check at this at the left hand side, it is showing green. That's another second sign that I can withdraw with it. So I'll just choose the platform. I'll just choose it. I'll just click on it. Okay, now it will take me to this section. You see this field over here? This field over here means that you can withdraw with it. You've met the minimum withdrawal of 1,000 coins. Okay, you met the minimum withdrawal of 1,000 coins. Remember in my previous video I told you that minimum withdrawal of some of these coins is like, for example, we have the Bitcoin Cash. Minimum withdrawal for Bitcoin Cash is 1,000 coins. We have the size coins and some of other ones that I mentioned in my previous video that the minimum withdrawal is 1,000. But if you are withdrawing to the BNB, the minimum withdrawal for BNB and also Bitcoin is normally 20,000 coins above. So you have to keep accumulating these coins. If you want to withdraw through the Bitcoin, you have to keep accumulating this particular coins here, reach up to 20,000 worth of those coins before you can withdraw through the Bitcoin section or the BNB section. Okay, but there are some coins that I can withdraw with minimum of 1,000. Let's say if you reach minimum of 1,000, you can withdraw, such as this one that this Bitcoin Cash and other few ones that are there. I explained all of this in my previous video. If you haven't watched that previous video, you have to go back and watch that previous video so that you have a glimpse, you have a solid idea on how to make money from this platform. Okay, and also if you haven't subscribed to it, can you subscribe and turn on your notification button, because I'll be dropping more videos on how to make money on this channel. All right, so you click on that. I want to withdraw through this Bitcoin Cash, so I've just clicked on it to take me to this section. Then when you see this mainnet, whenever you see this 50 coins, this is the fee that the platform is going to collect to make the transaction smooth for you. So this 50 coins is only the fee that the platform will collect. Okay, let's say you had, for example, let's say for example you had 1,084. What you'll be withdrawing from this your dashboard is 1,034. Okay, now 50 coins from this is going to be deducted. All right, it's going to be deducted, and then 1,084 coins will be converted to the coin, this Bitcoin Cash that I've selected, and it will be transferred to my wallet. All right, it will be transferred to my wallet. I hope you understand that. So let's continue. I'll just click over here. All right, click on that. Now you can see now that they say minimum fee here is 50 coins. All right, 50 coins. So 50 coins will be deducted, and then the rest will be sent to my wallet. Okay, so I'll just click on it. All right, it has even showed here. You can see that it has showed up here. You can see this is the amount that I've accumulated. All right, this is the amount I've accumulated. So 50 will be deducted from here, and this is the BCH. This is the worth of the BCH that these coins will be converted to. So what I mean is that these coins here now that I've accumulated will be converted to this BCH. Okay, and then it will be sent to the wallet address I'm going to paste right here. I hope you understand that. So now to copy the wallet address, I just have to go to my Trust Wallet. I want to copy through Trust Wallet. I'll just head to my Trust Wallet and go and copy it. I'll just head over to my Trust Wallet, and here we have the BCH over here. Click on it, and then you just click on the receive. All right, then you click on copy. Okay, you can decide to copy the barcode, but I prefer clicking on here, so I'll just click on that, then go back to the platform and paste the address right here. Okay, I'll just paste the address right here. Good. I'll now click on next step. I'll click on that next step. Then when you click on this now, you can see now the amount of cryptocurrency that will be sent to that wallet address that you submitted. Now this is the address that you copied, and this is the network. All right, and this is the amount of coins that will be sent to your Trust Wallet. Okay, now this is the fee that will be removed from this amount, okay, that you've accumulated. All right, so now That is what you have to know. Everything has just been tied up there, had just been given to you. Now when you scroll down a little bit, you just have to toggle this thing a little bit to the right. Okay, toggle this to the right. You toggle it and then you click on that submit wallet. Okay, you click on that submit wallet. Okay, I've just clicked on that submit wallet. I'm just having a little network issue. Now it has submitted. Okay, it has submitted. Now I have just submitted it. If you want to know that you've submitted it, you just have to scroll down to where you click on that, then you still go back to your withdrawal. Click on your withdrawal. Now you can see processing over here. You can see processing over here, which means in the next few seconds, these coins will be sent to your wallet automatically, to that your Trust wallet automatically, and then you can go there and see the coins sitting in your Trust wallet. All right, so congratulations if you've done that. That is how to transfer your coins from your Faucet Crypto to your Trust wallet or any wallet you've linked. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn your notification button so that you don't miss out on our next video. See you on our next video.